This is stock number B4274ML. This is the 2005 Toyota Tundra. This is a 4.7 liter double cab short box. Peerless tires with about half the tread left. Color is silver and the paint is very clean and reflective. The body's in great condition. There are no dings or dents. This vehicle is very clean. Back tires, just as much tread as the front. Frame and underbody is extremely clean all the way down this vehicle. Bed of the vehicle has a nice drop-in bed liner. Has some light usage. Tailgate is in great condition. No dings, dents, or chips. And this side paint is just as clean and reflective as the other side. There are no dings or dents on this side either. This Tundra has a nice black and gray interior. Nice gray cloth seats which are in great condition. No rips or tears. These are not powered seats. This Tundra has 79,158 miles. Nice CD player with the A-track player. Push button 4-wheel drive. Headliner is very clean, along with the passenger side of the vehicle. Passenger seat does not have any rips or tears, and the panels are very clean. Back of this vehicle is just as clean as the front. Seats as well. Seats are in great condition back here as well. No rips or tears in any of the seats back here. Seats fold down, and then fold up. And then underneath this seat, storage compartment underneath the seat. Same with that seat over there. Now we'll start up this vehicle. The rest of the body on this vehicle is very clean, including the hood. Engine bay is also very clean. The truck sounds great and it runs very smooth. To see more pictures of this Tundra, please visit lensauto.com.